Victor, anything that starts with letter R.
Rabbit.
Rabbit. Okay. Aiden, you.
Ring.
Ring. Okay, good job.
What is it?
Radish.
Rabbit.
It's a radish. And we have a big one here.
Rabbit.
Raccoon.
Raccoon.
We are going to, if we get time today, we are going to do our letter R craft as well.
Raccoon.
The raccoon starts with letter R. Okay, they have a blast mask that helps the sun's moon's glare. The moon's glare
So they
to
can see.
reflect, and that's why they can see very nicely at night. Whatever you can eat, the raccoons can eat.
eat spinach.
They can eat spinach.
They
Yes.
can eat leaves too.
They can eat leaves too. Their bones are very, very strong. So they love to climb on the trees. So they are still okay if they fall on the floor. Mommy feeds them with milk, and she brings and hunts food for them. And she takes care of them until 1 year. In that 1 year, the baby raccoons usually follows mommy, and mommy teaches them how to hunt for food and how to take care of themselves. So once they are a year older, they can live by themselves. They don't need mommy and daddy to take care of them. One strip like this, and we are going to cut them. You can cut them circle if you can. Use your scissors. Take your scissors and glue out, please. So you can cut it square like this, or if you need help, let me know. I will help you cut it. Okay?